Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here, if you guys can see. But basically what this is a massage gun. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what it looks like. So once we open up the box itself, it has a little message right here for you guys. So it's a self-discipline set me free. And then you guys can see it has a very nice case that is pretty high quality. So for the case that they provide you guys right here, it has a very nice little handle right here, which is pretty cool. And then two zippers right here. And the zipper feels pretty nice. If you guys can see, the material actually looks pretty cool. So let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what it looks like inside, as you can see. So it has a little user guide or instruction guide right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. They provide you guys a cable right here to charge up the product. They provide you guys the actual massage gun right here, as you can see, which we'll take a look in a second. Then they have all the different heads right here that's protective of this little protection layer right here. So they actually provide guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these different type of massage heads that you see right here. So the first one we have right here is like this. Next one we have right here is like this. Third one that we have right here is like this. The fourth one that we have right here is this one right here. Fifth one that we have right here is like a fork, if you guys can see. And then the last and final one is this one right here, if you guys can see. And that's basically everything that's in the product itself right here. So now let's take a look at the actual product itself right here. So if you guys look right here, they have the little logo right here and kind of like this series number right here. This is where it's actually put in your massage head right here. So all you guys have to do is just input it like that. On the bottom part, you guys can see that there's output right here that is plugged in the actual cable that they provide you guys to charge it up. And then they also have the on and off switch right here, as you can see. So once you guys activate the on button right here, you can see that there's an indicator right here, and then the product to turn it on is right here. So if you guys look really carefully at the actual product itself right here, it has a little divider on each side. So one side is for the battery life right here, and then one side is for the different mode right here. So speed level 1, speed level 2, speed level 3, and speed level 4 is right there. Battery percentage 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now it's at 1, so that means you guys need to charge it up. But basically once it's up here, that means fully charged. But right now it's roughly around like 25% or less than that. So basically how you guys turn it on is by pressing this button right here. It's on speed level 1 right here, so if you guys want to increase it, just press it again, and then that's the highest mode if you guys can see right here. And if you guys want to change the different mode as well, you can just press this button right here to change the different mode. So this is mode number 1, mode number 2, mode number 3, and press it again. It just goes back to the normal mode, which is what you guys started with. So those are the 4 different modes that you guys have on the product itself. And then if you guys want to turn it off, just press it one time to turn it off. So let me actually pick up one of these massage heads and try it out first and see how it feels actually using the product itself. So since I've never really seen one of these massage heads, let me try this one. Alright, so once you guys push it in just like that, you guys can actually turn it on. So then I'm going to try speed level 2 and see what it feels like. This one definitely feels really nice. I can see how this can be really helpful, especially if you guys are coming home from like a really sore day and you guys are really tired on like maybe your arms, your legs or something. And just to let you guys know, each different massage head has their own purpose. So maybe one for legs, maybe one for like thighs, or like targeting certain parts of your body. So that's definitely one to kind of remember as well. If you guys don't know which one is for what, you guys can definitely check it on the listing or also on the little instruction manual that they provide you guys as well. They actually mentioned on how the product itself is quite quiet, and I can definitely see how it's pretty quiet compared to a lot of other massage guns. It actually feels pretty nice. This is actually on speed level 2. But let me turn it on the highest one and see what it feels like. So this is the highest one, if you can see. So on the highest one, I think it's a little bit too much for me. It doesn't even feel comfortable anymore. It just feels like pain. Alright, so this is speed level 3. Yeah, so speed level 3 doesn't feel as comfortable either. So I think I'd rather stick with level 1 and level 2 speed level. But now let me actually test out the dB. Alright, so we have a little tester right here. So I'm not going to talk anymore from this point on. I'm just going to press each one to show you guys what it actually sounds like for each level starting now. Alright, so you can see that the decibel is quite quiet. It's about 40 to 50, just like how they mentioned on the actual listing itself. And in terms of the battery life for the product itself, it actually lasts pretty long. So if you guys use like the first gear, which is like the lowest level one, you guys can get roughly around 20 hours of usage on here maximum. And if you guys use the second speed or the second gear, you can get about 15 hours or less. And if you guys use the third speed level or the third gear, that one you guys can get a maximum of 11 hours. And if you guys use the fourth gear, the fourth speed one, that one you can get a maximum of 7 hours of usage on the actual product itself. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually do a quick charging test to show you guys how to actually charge the product and how you guys know when it's charging. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a massage gun right here. We have the actual cable right here. Let's plug it in. Alright, so once we plug it in, you can see that they have this little indicator light right here to show you guys when it's charging, if you can see. And I believe once it's fully charged, this light should either turn green or should turn off. But it shouldn't take any more than 4 hours to fully charge it up. So another way to actually check the product itself to see when it actually is charging is by turning on the product right here on the bottom, the switch. And then check the little icon right here to let you guys know that it's charging, if you can see. And you guys always come back to the little massage gun right here for the bars to see where the battery percentage is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means it's fully charged and 1 means that it's 25% charged. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick charging test itself. You guys can see it actually does work and it works quite well. Really easy to charge it. If you guys can see, all you guys have to do is plug in and then you guys are all set. So if you guys are wondering how long does it actually takes to actually fully charge the product from 0 to 100, it doesn't take you any more than 4 hours to fully charge the product, which is pretty awesome. So basically if you guys just use it for like 4 hours or something and just recharge it, just plug it back in when you guys are not using it, then you guys are completely fine and don't have to worry about the battery running low or anything. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think any kind of like well-designed massage gun definitely is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys work out a lot or if you guys are walking a lot and you guys come home really sore or something, then these are actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have